Understanding trust. A key to healthy relationships. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that carries a lot of emotional weight. You broke my trust. Understanding this phrase is crucial not just for language learners, but for anyone navigating personal and professional relationships. Let's explore what it means, why it's significant, and how to repair trust if it's been broken. You broke my trust is a phrase used when someone feels betrayed or let down by another person's actions. Trust is the belief or confidence that one person has in the reliability, integrity, and honesty of another. So, when trust is broken, it means that the actions of one person have seriously damaged the confidence that someone had in them. This could be due to lying, breaking promises, or any other action that goes against the expectations of honesty and reliability in a relationship. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship, whether it's friendship, family, or romantic partnerships. It's what allows people to feel safe and secure with one another. Without trust, relationships can become filled with doubt, suspicion, and insecurity. Understanding the value of trust helps us comprehend the depth of hurt that comes with the phrase, "You broke my trust." To make it clearer, let's go through some examples. Sharing a friend's secret with others, failing to support a partner in a crucial moment, not fulfilling a promised action, like returning a borrowed item, lying about one's whereabouts or actions. These actions demonstrate a disregard for the trust placed by one person in another, leading to feelings of betrayal. Breaking trust doesn't always mean the end of a relationship. Repairing trust is possible, but it takes time, effort, and genuine repentance. Here are some steps to mend a broken trust. Acknowledgement of the wrongdoing. The person who broke the trust must accept their mistake and understand the impact of their actions. Apology. A sincere apology is crucial. It's important to express regret and a desire to make amends. Rebuilding trust. Actions speak louder than words. The person who broke the trust must demonstrate through their actions that they are committed to regaining lost trust. Patience. The person who is hurt will need time to heal and may not be ready to forgive immediately. Patience is key in this process. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, "You broke my trust," and the importance of trust in relationships. Remember, trust is delicate and precious. Once broken, it's hard to repair. But with effort, understanding, and patience, it's possible to rebuild. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful content. Stay tuned.